Hi, my name is Heather, and today we're going to learn how to take care of your daughter's or son's toys when they have this acrylic hair and it gets tangled quite easily. We're going to learn how to work through these mats and make it look almost like new. So let's get started. First, we're going to start with one of these. It's a little steamer.
You just kind of run it through the hair. There's no real, doesn't really matter if you get it too wet because it dries. And I wouldn't worry about pulling hair out.
These dolls have their hair put in pretty tight, so you are going to lose some hair in the brush. I'm going to end up pulling hair out, but trust me, there's a lot in there, so I don't think you could ever ruin the doll by combing through it too hard. But that's all we needed. She's all done. Thanks for watching.